Hello everyone, welcome again. And as you know that in the previous video we have already covered one inbuilt method of array, that is copy of, and in this video we are going to cover another method of array, that is sort. Okay, so before starting this video, let me clear you guys that after covering all the methods, I'm going to solve many methods, many examples of this inbuilt methods that depends on inbuilt methods, so that you can get a clear-cut understanding. Okay, so now let's come to the point. In one way or in another way, you might have required to sort the element of an array. Okay, suppose the element are got jumbled, not in ascending, not in descending, but in random way, 10, 5, 95, 8. So and you can do using two for loops and traversing the array, but for this there's an already inbuilt method. Okay, using one line of code you can sort the array in ascending or descending, right? So let's see. So the second method is sort, and what it does, it sorts element of array. So let's declare one array, random numbers like 10, 23, 89, 100, 5, 18, 49, 45, 56 and 2. Okay, so this is our array and I need to sort, so I need to use the arrays class. Okay, arrays class is in the util package, not in the lang package. Okay, so if the class which is other than lang package, we need to import it externally. Arrays, okay, control space down.util, it imported. Okay, then write sort. Inside it takes a parameter, that is array. Okay, just one line of code and the array got sorted in the ascending order. By default it uses ascending order. Let us print I colon A, sys out I. Let us print, save it, 2, 5, 10, 18, 23, 45, 56, 89, 100. It's sorted in ascending. Okay, now let us sort in descending order. So okay, my PC, yeah, so to sort in this descending order we need to use another class. It is same as arrays, but another class, that is collections. Okay, it's not collection, it is collections class. So I wanted to teach you the collections class when we'll discuss the term collection programs, but yeah, it is the requirement. Okay, so so to sort an array using the method reverse order, which is inside the collections class. Okay, so let us see. It's not a big deal, it's really simple. So first is that the first parameter is array only, and the second parameter is collections. Okay, collections, C is capital. Okay, it's a class. I need to import it, control space dot reverse order. Okay, now it is getting I'm getting the error. Why? Because when I'm reversing the my okay, so when I'm reversing my one second. Okay, so yeah, when I'm reversing my array, okay, using collections class, so I need to declare my array not as a primitive, but I need to declare my array as a wrapper class. Okay, but here we have declared the array, what the array we want to sort. Okay, so that array we need to declare as a primitive, as a wrapper integer. Okay, see, the error gone. Let's run. 100, 89, 56, 45, 23, 18, 10, 5 and 2. So we have successfully sorted our array in descending order and ascending order too. So this is complete the thing. This is the complete sort method. Okay, now the another part of sort method is from where to where I need to sort. Okay, suppose I need to sort a array. Now from 100 to 2, so I need to write the index number 0 1 2 3. Okay, 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so from 3 to 8 I need to sort. By default it's sort in ascending order. Save it. See, 10 23 89 0 1 2 and 3. From 3 it gets sorted 5 18 45 56 100 and okay, so we done some mistake. Up to here it's sorted 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Oh, okay, it's not inclusive, I guess. Yeah, let's run. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 second. A dot length -1. Okay, so it's got it. What's happening? Wow. From 3. See. So you need to write the length, complete length, because it's not inclusive. Okay, the index number is 3. 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 from here, but suppose you'll write 8. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so it's not inclusive. You need to write the last you need to write the length. Okay, just do not use by heart or by code, just write the length here, so it will get sorted. You can see up to here it's not, but from 0 1 2 3 from third index 2 5 18 45 56 and 100. Let's try another 56 200 1. Let's save. So 1 2 from third 1 2 and 100 200. Okay, so here it's another part that from index number where to where we need to sort. Okay, so this completes that full sort method, how to use, how to implement the sort method, and how to reverse using collections method, collections class. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and in the next we'll see the binary searches inbuilt methods of array. Okay, thank you, and let's meet in the next video.